Hey guys, welcome back to the episode of Nessa's World. So today I'm going to do the short hair girl problem. Yeah, I don't know, but I have some problems and I want to know if I'm the only one with short hair have these problems. And if you have more problems, feel free to hit me up in the comments down below. Tell me other problems that you have. So if you have not yet followed me on all my social media platform, go on over and go and follow me, and I'll put it here on the screen. And don't you forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know. So my first problem is getting up looking to something like this. What is this? What is this? What is this? Am I the only one with hair looking like Janko jailbreaks in my head? Or maybe, me hair of some kind of fighting one, everybody just has separate from them one another, or it just got crazy. I don't understand. Why is my hair like this? When I wake up in the morning, why is it like this? After I do so good to it yesterday, I wake up with it looking like this. And it's not like I don't cut the hair properly or not, it's just and then a next thing too, why do I have this white stuff in my hair? I feel as if sleeping on sponge. Like why are these stuff in my hair? Am I the only one that have these white stuff? When I had my hair before, I didn't wake up with this problem. My hair was okay. I don't know if it's a short hair thing or is it that it get dirty quick. I don't know. Why is my hair like this? I don't understand. I don't get it. And the next problem I have is looking like a boy when I put a hat on. Really? I don't know why I have a sweater on in Jamaica, but don't I look like a cute, handsome boy? Can you imagine? I'm going out here to look at my husband and I see this nice, hot guy and I'm like, hey, babes, what's up? And he's thinking I'm gay. Can you believe that? He's like, no dude, I'm straight. And I'm like, oh, I'm a girl. And then to take off my hat looking like this? No wonder why I'm single. Another problem that I have is that I am only limited to 2 hairstyles. I don't know if you guys feel that way or if you had ever felt that way, but I feel as if I can't find no hairdo. I don't know what to do. And if you guys have some suggestion, hit me up in the comments down below and I'll definitely try it out. And I don't know why that bite decided to live in my video. Another thing that I have realized is that, remember now, I only cut my hair less than 2 weeks, probably 1 week to be exact. I don't remember exactly. I've washed my hair 3 times already, and when I have my normal hair, it takes me 2 weeks to wash my hair. But short hair, for some reason, is get dirty so quick, and I don't know if because the gel and the moisturizer sit on top of it, but it's not cute. I have to wash it daily. I don't know if other people have the same problem, but I think my head is getting too much water and it dries so easy. I have to consistently moisturize it, and even when I moisturize it, the moisture sits on top and then I have to wash it again and then the cycle continues. I don't get short hair. Yeah, but for all in all, I don't regret cutting my hair. I am so happy for the new look, the new move, and the new journey, because it's a new process for me. I'm learning because I never had my hair this short before, and I am so excited to learn your new hairstyle, experiment, and all those stuff. Even though I may have some minor problems, I am so grateful because new beginning is good. So that's the few problem I have noticed, but there is some positive side to it. Now, one of my positive is that I don't have to worry about combing my hair. I just get up and know that my hair is already done. I don't need to do anything, and that's so good, because normally when I have my taller hair, I'll be like, oh, my hair needs to comb, what style do I have to do, and whatnot and whatnot. And to have short hair, you just know that you don't need to do much. You just put on a hat or curl it and just go about your business. So it makes getting ready easier. I don't know, it just feels so good when you do something like this. You know, like when you rub your hands in your head like this. I don't know why. I always see people doing this and I'm like, why do they always do that? But then it's like when you have a problem, you'll be like, oh, Jano. And it feels so good. I don't know if it's some stress relief or something, but it feels good. So that's a next thing. And then another thing is that starting over is always good. You know, new beginning is always good. You know that your hair is healthy and you're ready to take that next step of keeping your hair healthy and watching it grow. So that's very good. And as I said, there's a lot of things that I am positive about, but this video was mainly geared to the short hair problem. If you like this video, put a big thumbs up. If you have any other problems or you know some problems, you know, hit me up in the comments down below. Don't forget to share and hit that subscribe button, touch the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And go on over to my social media platform. Bye.